Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this high converting opt-in page or squeeze page, and you can use this to promote any kind of offers or product that you wanted to promote. So I just want to keep this video short and sweet, that way you can get started in using this squeeze page or opt-in page. Alright, now there's a link in the description of this video. Create your account to this funnel builder. Now this is completely for free, and once your account is ready guys, I want you to go to funnels right here, and then so basically I need to log into this account. Now go ahead guys, create your account for free so that you can create your opt-in page and start using this system completely for free. All right, now this is not one of those typical funnel builder that they releases on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. This is a premium software. This is a premium funnel builder that you can use guys to any kind of products or offer that you wanted to promote. Now the reason why I like this product guys is that you can save a lot of money with this guys, especially when you're a newbie. You don't have that big enough investment or capital to purchase those expensive funnels like click funnels. This can really help you guys a lot, right? Because they have this free plan forever. Now if you're just starting out, you don't have that big email list, then you can just start using this completely for free. uh, for the free plan, you can add contacts up to 2,000 contacts. You can send unlimited emails. You can create free funnels. You can create sales funnel steps. You can also create blog unlimited posts, courses. You can also do that right here. Now this is everything you need guys when it comes to when you're starting out. Now this tool can really help you guys a lot. All right, so go ahead, create your account. That way you can create this beautiful high converting landing page, opt-in page or squeeze page right here, and you can use this to promote any kind of offers. All right, now once your account is ready, go to funnels right here and click on create button right here, and then this is where you choose an option to create an opt-in page. Now what you can do is click on this build an audience, and then name your funnel to whatever product that you're trying to promote. So that way you can easily recognize it in the future. So let's say the name of the product is affiliate marketing masterclass, right? And then just basically use this build a new just build an audience, and click choose that one and click on create. And then this is gonna allow you guys to choose a template right here. Now you don't have to create this from scratch, because these right here guys, these templates right here are really high converting template, and you can just use this to any kind of offers or products that you want to promote, right? So in this case guys, right, so this template right here, this is the template that I uh, use to create this high converting opt-in page right here. So select this one right here, but you can choose any opt-in page that you want, but I just really like this one right here. Choose this one. Now you don't have any you don't need to have any technical skills to use this system guys. It's super easy. It's like point and click and drag and drop. Right, now you can choose to have this thank you page, but I rather choose to delete this one, but you can choose that if you wanted to do that. But I just recommend you to delete this one. And then this is where you edit your squeeze page. Click on this icon right here, and this is where you edit your opt-in page. Right, now you can customize everything right here guys, from the backgrounds, from the headline right here, from the button, from the call to act, from the email phone name and email, everything right here guys, you can customize that one. If you wanted to change the background, just go to settings right here, scroll down a bit, and then you can remove the background right here, just like that. Or I just like the background right here, and then you can change the headline right here. In this case, this is the product that I am trying to promote. You can just basically go to sales page of your affiliate offers that you wanted to promote, and just copy the headline, right? Just like the one that I created right here. So just copy the format right here, change the headline, right? So let me show you how that's done. So let me copy this. But basically, you can use any kind of offer or product that you wanted to promote. So just like that, and then you can highlight the fit, and then you can change the color of that text right there, just like that. And you can adjust the size of the text. You can reduce the size. You can make it bigger, something like that, and then yeah, and then that's it. And then you can customize this one as well. And then what I need you guys to do is to click on this button right here, and then you can show a pop-up. You can trigger a pop-up with this, but I highly suggest to change this into a send form right here, and then change this into a custom URL, and this is where you put your affiliate link right here. Go back to an offer that you wanted to promote. So this case, let's say this one right here, or this one right here. Let's say this is my affiliate link. Go back to to page editor, and then click on that, paste that affiliate link right here. And once you're happy with all these things, but basically guys, you can delete this one, you can delete this email right here, but I highly suggest not to to do anything with this, because this is a really high converting. This is enough to to capture an email, because this one is a high converting landing pages, right? Now what you can do now is click on save changes right here, and that's gonna save the changes. And then you can click on this arrow icon right here, and this is where you copy your link right here. So this is your opt-in page. You basically click on this icon right here, copy your link, and then you can view the opt-in page that you created right here. So this is your opt-in page that you created. Now you can monitor the leads right here. Once a person enter their name and email right here, you can monitor the leads right in this section right here. Now let me show you that it's working. So let me try to opt-in this email. It's just the access right here. Now the page is loaded, and it will redirected me to an offer. So let's say for example this one is an affiliate offer, and I am redirected to this offer. And then if we try to go back to our account, we can refresh this one, and now we'll be able to monitor that we have this brand new leads right here. We can monitor the stats right here, guys. We have 100% conversion rate, because we've opted out, we've opted using our email, right? We're not exiting the page. That is why we get this 100% conversion rate, right? You can also put a deadline of this of your opt-in page. If you wanted to do that, you can enable this one right here. Now there's a lot of things that you can do with this funnel builder, guys. This can really help you guys a lot when you're starting out. If you're a newbie, then this can really help you guys a lot. Save a lot of money, you know, and this can really help you guys a lot when it comes to building an email list. All right, because you can say you can add like 2,000 contacts. You can send unlimited emails, and this is free forever. But if you're an advanced marketer, then you can upgrade your account. It's like $27 per month, but you can have this unlimited features right here, and this can really help you guys a lot, right? Now, yeah, so go ahead, create your account for free. That way you can create your landing page and opt-in page right here. And this is exactly what I am using now, guys, to to build my business, to build my email list, right? And yeah, so I think that will be in this video, guys. Now if you feel that this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell icon, so I can create more videos like this in the future, so I can really help you guys out when it comes to your online journey as an affiliate marketer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Love you.